Welcome to Cook and Curb's coding class. Today, I'm going to show you how to use your browser's UserAgent string to find out what OS you're on. So, if I pop over to Firefox here and I reload this page, I get an alert box that says Mac OS because I'm on Mac OS. So, that just makes sense. I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get started. To get started, pop open your text editor, or whatever you prefer to use to write HTML. I'm using the Cotton editor right here. And let's start by making a doc type tag. Exclamation mark doc type HTML. And I'm going to save this file to get the nice HTML colors. So I'm going to save it as UserAgent.html. Perfect. Now I got the nice HTML colors. And now, just open up a script tag. Script. And let's make a variable and let's call it U. You can call it whatever you want, actually, I don't care. Var U equals, here's the important part. Navigator dot UserAgent. Agent with a capital A. And just to test this out, I'm going to say alert U. And so that will just make a pop-up with the browser's UserAgent string. So you can take a look at it. Close that script tag up and save the file. Alright, now let's pop open Firefox, which is the best browser, and drag the file into your new tab. So right here you can see all this is my UserAgent string. Has what version of Firefox I'm using, what version of Mac OS I'm using, and what we're looking for, what OS it is. So for Mac OS, you're going to want to search for Macintosh, not Mac, simply because the UserAgent string for iOS also contains the word Mac, so you're going to want to search for Macintosh. Alright, so let's go back to our text editor, and let's do that. So get rid of this alert U, and then let's just say if, open parentheses, U dot includes, open parentheses, open quotes, Macintosh, close quotes, close parentheses, and then close parentheses again, open curly braces, alert, and in quotes, you are on a Mac, close quotes and parentheses, semicolon, and close those curly braces. Save that file and reload in your browser. And now, it tells me that I am on a Mac, which I never would have guessed. I have no idea what computer this is. So I'm very happy that I know now. And we can add Windows to the if statement simply by adding else if U dot includes, open parentheses, open quotes, and you guessed it, Windows with a capital W, close quotes, and close parentheses again, open curly braces, alert, and open parentheses and quotes, you are on a Windows, get a Mac, or Linux, if you like open source. Close quotes and close parentheses. Next line, and close those curly braces, save the file, and reload in your browser. Clearly it's just going to still keep on saying that I'm on a Mac because I'm on a Mac. But if I were to go onto a Windows computer, it would tell me to get a Mac or a Linux if I like open source, which I do. And you can add Linux here too. Else if open parentheses, u dot includes, open parentheses, open quotes, Linux, with a capital L, close quotes, close parentheses, and close parentheses again, open curly braces, alert, congratulations. You are on the best OS. You are on the best OS, which is true if you're actually on Linux. Close those curly braces. And finally, Chrome OS. Chrome OS, I know, technically is a flavor of Linux, but they changed their user agent so it doesn't actually say Linux on it. So, else, if, open parentheses, u dot includes, whoa, spelled includes wrong. If u dot includes, open parentheses and open quotes, CR with a capital C, OS with a capital O and S, close parentheses, close quotes, close quotes, then close parentheses again, open curly braces, alert, and in quotes, boot your Chromebook into Linux. Real Linux. Close quotes, close parentheses, close curly braces, save that file, and reload in the browser, and again, I'm not on a Chromebook, so it's not going to tell me any of that. And yeah, that's how you do that. Clearly, I didn't list every single OS that exists, so if you need to check for a different OS, just search up its user agent string, find a bit that only it includes, and then search for it in here. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, buy my merch, and remember to smell the flowers. Hey, you're still there. Wow, you've been here a while. Well, I just wanted to say that the iOS 12 jailbreak came out recently, and I just jailbroke my phone yesterday, and it's great. So, if you're interested in that, you should totally jailbreak your phone. It's worth it. You can get great tweaks, like one that changes your battery icon, or one that makes Siri only take up the top part of the screen instead of the entire screen. I like bagels.
Got it.
And then if you want, you can have Siri take up the entire screen by swiping down on it. So, thank you again for watching, especially for watching this long, and goodbye.